Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys, we have a question here from, or comments from Candid, Candido Suarez 4170. He did a comment regarding our Dji Rs3 Mini with Sony ZV-E10. Uh, yeah, he's asking, can you use the cage uh, with RS3 Mini and ZV-E10 from Sony? So instead, we use the CBE10, it's smaller. Uh, we will use the Sony A7C II. So it's more a little bigger than the CBE10. So let's try to use the camera Sony A7C Mark II with a cage. Yeah, we have from Smallrig cage and the Sony DJI RS3 Mini. So yeah, again, A7C Mark II, Smallrig cage, and the DJI Rs3 Mini. So without further ado, but again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So let's start now guys. So camera, and again, I have a compact lens, which is 50, 1.8. So you can use any lens like 24 or 20, the smaller. But on this video sample, we have 50, 1.8. Yan. Okay. Yeah.
Oh no!
Yan. Kaya mo na dyan. Kahit ko na lang. Okay. Yan. Okay. So first, let's do some balancing. First, to balance this area. Okay. 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 Then, okay. Let's try to open. And it's balanced, guys. So it's perfect. Again, for A7C or even the ZBE10, it's perfect. Even you use the cage or any cage from small rig or depends on your cage. So for me, yeah, it's good that and it will balance A7C2 with the cage and of course the RS3 mini. Yeah. Again, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Uh, yeah. So again, if you want to check the price and availability of the Sony's A7C Mark II small rig cage and DJI RS3 Mini, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yeah, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you and shout out doon kay sa nag-comment. Thank you and shout out kay kay Julius sa likod ng camera. Si Harvey na busy dito. Paperworks at carton works. Maraming carton sa likod. Yeah, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.